This is a review on the Liquipel liquid glass screen protection. The reason I got this is because this is the same thing the mall tries to sell you for 65 to 70 bucks. It's $10. Nano glass liquid, 9H Sapphire Hardness, scratch resistant, easy wipe on application, germ free protection, and 12-month protection plan. Nano coating technology. The one thing that I don't like is the instructions don't match. One says one thing, the other says the other. But we'll go right into the application. Comes with an alcohol pad. Screen needs to be thoroughly cleaned. Let's turn it off. So thoroughly clean it. Get all dirt and fingerprints off. Take the microfiber cloth it comes with and dry it off. You're going to want to look and see if there's any marks on the phone, so you don't want to leave those impressions. And looks good. Next, the instructions say 8 to 10 drops on one and 5 to 8 on the other. I'm just going to go ahead and put a whole bunch of drops everywhere. It says to smear it in lightly and spread it. And it says to leave it dry for 10 minutes, come back and polish it. I've done this already on another phone, and as you can see here, it is crystal clear. It leaves no residue. There's no way for me to tell the scratch protection yet, as I don't want to scratch my phone up for fun. And there's no way to actually check on the germicide on this, but I will update with a second video on how the screen is doing.